Hi guys, this is Sunil Gupta and you are learning the complete ethical hacking course, Exploring Secrets of Hackers. Now we are proceeding to our next chapter, which is Information Gathering Part 3. Let's proceed. Yeah. So first is who is tools for information gathering, like who is lookup tools for PC. Like, so these are some tools which you can use to gather information about the target, like a website. So who is lookup, active who is this domain, hot whois are the tools for PC. You can install these tools in your PC. You can download it from internet, and from mobile you can download DNS tools, Ultra Tools Mobile, whois lookup tool, and all. These are the tools for whois. Next, DNS footprinting. When I'm trying to footprinting network, I'm often only given a domain name. Absolutely right. And I want to know DNS names and IP addresses associated with that domain name. Yeah. In addition, I want to know about the network blocks those IP addresses belong to and other servers that may be in those network blocks. Okay. DNS interrogation. What is DNS interrogation? After gathering the information needed using the above techniques, a hacker would begin to query the DNS using tools. You're right. If you have a website name or if you have an IP address name, your first step should be to gather the associated IP address, the subdomains of that website. And you can do this with Recon NG. I have shown you in my preview videos. You can also watch my preview videos in this course. And I have shown how ReconNG works to gather information about the subdomains of a website, to gather the location of their server in the world anywhere. Locate the network range. So if you want to locate the network range, that how your packets are going from your computer to google.com when you are visiting Google, so you have to use tracert command, or it is called traceroute. The traceroute is a tool which you can use to gather information about the path related to your packets. To find out the IP address of hosts between the machine running ipchat, you have to type this one, tracert space www.google.com. Let's try it. Here I'm opening command prompt, typing tracert space google.com. Here you can see this is the path how my packets are going from my computer to google.com. This can be done using tracert space the target name, right? Traceroute tool. If you want to do traceroute by using tools, not with the commands, you can also install tools in your computer. Like Path Analyzer Pro is good one. Visual Route is also good. 3D Traceroute, GeoSpider, Ping Plotter, vTrace, Network Pinger. These all are tools you can use to trace route from your computer using tools. Now, information gathering using social engineering. So what is social engineering and how we can gather information using this technique? So social engineering is the context of information security, refers to psychological manipulation of people into performing actions or divulging confidential information. A type of confidence trick for the purpose of information gathering, fraud, or system access. It differs from a traditional con in that it is often one of many steps. So if somebody asks you what is social engineering, you can tell them social engineering is just the manipulation verbally. Like you got some scam calls, you get some scam emails. So those are all social engineering techniques so that they can gather your credit card details so that they can extract the money from your account. So they are some tactics of social engineering. Social engineering techniques are phishing. I hope you know about phishing. Phishing is like when you are creating a duplicate page of Facebook or a bank account and try to and give the customer and try to insert the details by customer. That is called phishing attack. There are some more attacks in social engineering like eavesdropping. Eavesdropping is like unauthorized listening to conversations. Like if like as you can see here in the pic, this is called eavesdropping. Shoulder surfing is like when you are behind someone and watching what he's typing. That is called shoulder surfing. Dumpster diving is when you are finding something from the bin. That is called dumpster diving. So these are some techniques that you can use to gather information about the target, right? And these are some techniques that I have included in my presentations, and you will get the practical part in my later part of videos, in practical videos, in which I will show you how you can use social engineering. Okay, thank you so much for this video, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.